close of the day, boy. I'm gonna go ahead and get all my lines like today. I'm like, yeah, the sun's out, we all charged up, our crystalline elements, our silicon-based things are charged up. We got the ether mics on and the ether hearing aids. We got the mounds being shown up in the background with the coconuts on the trees. Ooh, wee, listen. Ain't that right? Ain't that right, Swift? Yeah.